जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै 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 तक तना धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम हत तू हत गीत धुनि कुतक धीम
गणन कुतक दे कुतक तदि किट दो तदि किट चोंटा सक तदि किट चोंटे सक के दी चोंटा सक के दी चोंटे तक के दी चों सक के दी दो सक के दी दो सक के दी दो
तुम्हारी लीला पदुमनाभ तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहूँ मैं सावरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तोम तत गत नरि ततान नर तान धीम अलरि गलरि तत गता तार तत गमां तानि तत गतां तार धीम 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 तकतन अलरि तोम 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 तकतन तनि अलरि गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै धुनि कुतक धीम निकुतक धीम निकुतक धीम
Muruga,
great pleasure, I would like to introduce our chief guest for this evening's performance. It's none other than Sri V.V. Sundaramama. V.V. Sundaramama, a co-founder and secretary of the Aradhana Committee, affectionately known and called as the Cleveland Sundaram by all the Rasikas across the United States and India. He's been involved in promoting Carnatic music and classical dance forms in North America since the early 70s. He's also been instrumental in championing North American children and the youth to learn and perform Indian classical arts and expand the reach of the festival beyond Cleveland through outreach with artists, media, and sabhas in India. He's helped put Cleveland on the global map for South Indian classical arts. We request you to say a few words.
Thank you very much. Today, I want to say a few words about Maitreyi's dance. For somebody who is in the 8th grade, going into 9th grade, who probably has been learning this art form for the last maybe about 7-8 years or so. And considering the kind of varnam, another thing taken today, it was a remarkable performance. That's a like that. One of the interesting things about today's performance is that the Kala Pramanam that was taken from the beginning till the end, I don't know why it was like this. It was a scorching kind of a pace. And I was expecting how this girl is going to perform for that Kala Pramanam. And especially in the Varnam and the Uttarangam comes, the Kala Pramanam becomes faster, a bit faster than that. So to begin with itself, the Varnam was started at a brisk pace. And the second part became even brisker actually. And within that particular one, there are two challenges the girl has faced today's one. I don't know how many of you noticed that one. What was remarkable again, what I want to say today is that given the Kala Pramanam of the today's items, every one of them, from the Jatishwaram onwards, I watched that one. And especially in the Varnam. The Kala Pramanam was very fast. Choreography was very tight in the sense that myriad emotions have to be shown at a shorter time span. And then you put in here, I don't know, she probably is 13 or 14 years old, a 14-year-old girl on the stage, and you expect her to show that on stage. That's the tall order. But she did it remarkably. As a simple example, you take the Ramayana that was depicted today on that one. From the time that Dasaratha's word bids Rama to go to the forest, to the Pattabhishekam, is all done in less than 2 hours. You see that? The whole story is done. And she has to show a myriad emotions in that one. Even seasoned artists would find it very difficult to exhibit that. And a 13-year-old girl doing it with about 7-8 years of experience. And to draw the attention away from that music to herself was not an easy thing, and she did remarkably well today. Sita Kalyanam was there, and Durai Srinivasan plays Anandam Anandam, which is typically and including the Gopika and the Bratting on that one. And these are nice touches. These are, I would say, very graceful touches, which you rarely see in dance performances, leave alone in an arangetram like that. And the girl danced as if it is just natural, that she has been used to it, and this is what she expected. And what is so big deal about you people singing that and playing it? Look at me, how I dance. That's how she did it today. And that was absolutely captivating in itself. Take a young girl like me, who is such an accomplished person in many respects. Somebody may be tempted to say that, hey, concentrate on one thing, you will be really well. That advice is only from somebody who can handle only one at a time. This generation of young people, Maitreyi's age, have got so much of bandwidth, so much of capability and other thing. believe me, they'll be able to achieve multiple things in their lifetime that a generation ago, either my generation or the previous generation, could never have even dreamt about it. So my advice to Maitreyi is that wherever your heart takes you, wherever your mind takes you, go there, because you are going to excel in every one of the this one field that you choose to be in. It's not only in dance, it's not just dance alone. If you want to be the best academician, you want to be the most talented sports person, you can do all of that. And my advice to her is again is that your potential is unlimited. Go and get it. Thank you very much.
Maitreyi is a very bright student. Her keen attention to details, her interest to help everybody in the classroom, she always remembers the pieces. Students often comes to her, to the class, and do ask her, what is the next Adavu that we learned? What did Ramya teach us last week? So she always preps everybody before class. Her involvement with everybody's presentation as well as hers has been so wonderful and so heartening. And I know it is tough to do honors chemistry, a course that is done in an entire year, cut short all in the summer, plus meet with my demands. I would ask her every day if she had practiced her pieces, and I expected her to do all the 9 items every day for the last 2 months. That in addition, it's been a rough road this summer, but she held up very well. I think she shined beautifully. Many times I saw her enjoy the music, and I think that's the most important experience one should gain from an event like this. The excitement and enjoyment stays with you. It has to be a very positive experience. So I congratulate her and I wish her all the best for this performance and for many to follow. Congratulations.
Janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana geeta dhuni ko takadhim natr kita tom naach rahe gori taal tai tai tom tera tom geeta dhuni ko takadhim natr kita tom naach rahe gori taal tai tai tom tera tom geeta dhuni ko takadhim natr kita tom naach rahe gori taal tai tai tom tera tom geeta dhuni ko takadhim. तान गावे तकतल तै तै तान गावे तकतल तै 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 तकतना धीम तकिड तकधीम धीम तकिड तकधीम धीम तकिड तकधीम हदतो मत गीत धुनि को तकधीम. तुम्हारी कहो मैं सावरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो तदीं तदीं तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीं तदीं तिरना तदीं तदीं तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीं तदीं तिरना तदीं तदीं तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीं तदीं तिरना तदीं तदीं तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीं तदीं तिरना तानि तों तद गत नरि तान नर तानदीं अलरि गलरि तद गता तार तद गमां तानि तद गतां तार दीं 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 तकतन अलरि तों 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 तकतन तनि अलरि गीत धुनि कुतक धीं नाद्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै तै तदुं तिरगतुं गीत धुनि कुतक धीं नाद्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै तै तदुं तिरगतुं तानि तै तै तदुं तिरगतुं तानि तै तै तदुं तिरगतुं गीत धुनि कुतक धीं निकुतक धीं निकुतक धीं